Smithsonian's National Air and Space Museum. Behind me is an Air France Concorde, one of the first aircraft to fly supersonically and carry passengers across the ocean. The Concorde could cruise at Mach 2. Generally speaking, Mach 2 is about 1,300 miles an hour. A conventional airliner is a transonic airplane. They do about 0.8 to 0.85 Mach, which is, depending on the airplane, between 500 and 600 miles per hour. Measurements, weights, mathematics, extremely important for aircraft design and for flying the airplane. Pilots have to know what the airplane can do, its cruise speed, the altitude it flies, its range. A lot depends on the weather. Is it hot and high for takeoff? It requires much longer runways because the air is thinner. All of this has to be calculated. The weight and balance of the airplane is extraordinarily important because the whole purpose of the airplane is to carry you and cargo. But if it's loaded improperly, the airplane won't get off the ground, at least not safely. It's a wonderful airplane. I gotta tell you, it's probably the most beautiful airplane ever made. It's just gorgeous. And it's all designed to a purpose. It's not designed to be beautiful. It's the physics and how the engineers solved it. You know, the beautiful wing, it curves that way for a reason. You know, the nose is that pointed and that for a reason. Every design, every element is there for a reason. Aircraft are built to extremely close tolerances. For obvious reasons, they need to be extremely strong. Everything needs to work very well together and stay together for decades. It's built like a fine watch. In the case of the Concorde, that was even more important because as an airplane, especially a supersonic airplane goes faster, heat builds up, and the airplane actually expands. In fact, the fuselage on the airplane would stretch about 8 to 10 inches. The calculations to figure out exactly how far it's going to expand and contract, got to know what the temperature is going to do. You got how hot that's going to be. You have to know how the material, and in this case, aluminum alloy, is going to react, how it's going to expand and contract, what will it do to that alloy over time. All sorts of factors are involved with it. Accurate measurement is important in the design of all aircraft, but it's even more so for the likes of a Concorde, which can fly at twice the speed of sound. And it's just a gorgeous airplane. Yes.
Let us know what you thought of this video down in the comments section. And if you enjoyed it, be sure to give it a like and a share. And follow STEM in 30 on Facebook and Twitter, and subscribe to the National Air and Space Museum's YouTube channel.